Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we help you turn your design ideas into reality. Today, we're diving into real estate marketing with Canva. If you're a real estate agent or marketer looking to attract more buyers, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First, let's explore Canva's templates for real estate marketing. Open Canva and type "real estate" into the search bar. You'll find a variety of templates for property listings flyers, brochures, and social media posts. I'm selecting a property listing flyer template to get us started. Customizing the property listing. Once you've chosen your template, it's time to customize it. Click on the text boxes to edit the details. Start with the property title, description, and key features. Make sure your text is clear and highlights the best aspects of the property. Adding images to the listing. Next, let's add some visuals. Canva has a vast library of images, or you can upload your own photos of the property. High-quality images are crucial for attracting potential buyers. Drag and drop the images onto your template and adjust their size and position as needed. Adding branding elements. To make your marketing materials stand out, add your branding elements. This includes your logo, brand colors, and fonts. Use Canva's color picker to match your brand colors throughout the design. Consistent branding helps build recognition and trust with your audience. Designing a social media post. Now, let's create a social media post to promote the property. Use Canva's social media templates to design an eye-catching post. Add the property's best photo, a brief description, and a call to action. Social media is a powerful tool to reach potential buyers, so make your posts engaging and shareable. Final review and adjustments. Review your designs for consistency and polish. Check that all fonts, colors, and spacing are uniform. Proofread your text for any errors. A professional and cohesive look will make your marketing materials more effective. Downloading and sharing designs. When you're happy with your designs, download them in high resolution. Canva offers various formats like PDF and JPEG, which are perfect for both print and digital use. You can also share your designs directly to your social media accounts from Canva. And there you have it, a complete set of real estate marketing materials ready to attract buyers. With Canva, you can create professional and engaging designs quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.